Hi guys, Pratik here. 2021 seriously did not turn out the way we planned it to, or I guess the whole world didn't expect how things were going to be. And one of the most commonly used items in our day to day lives are these masks. And we wear it to work, we wear it to wherever we go outside. And one thing that really affects us, or like me personally, is the kind of strain that it puts on your ear on both sides. And I've even had scenarios where I got a bit of my skin really irritated, and sometimes there used to be small cuts too. So I decided it's time to do something about this, and let's see. Okay, we have Fusion 360 here in order to make the model. This is the final sketch for the mask gripper, and as you can see, there are uh, lots of adjustment notches where you can put your straps for the masks. So there's my logo, and let's get this printed. So we have our print ready here. Let's take it off the bed and try it on. So our part is printed and ready to be worn. So let me take off my mask, uh, put the strap through the first notches, and I'm going to be wearing it behind my neck so that you see the strings strap, it doesn't pass over my ear, and then wear it so that it perfectly covers your face. And there you have it. See, no strain on your ears, and you have a perfect mask gripper. Bye, guys.